Alrighty, let's see. Can you guys hear now? Wow, look at what we're up today.
Oh.
SPY puts up $3,000. 200% gain on the SPY
Jesus.
puts.
Hedge to perfection. That's how you hedge.
Hold on, they can't hear me. I gotta get this fucking going.
That is how you hedge.
Alright, you guys can hear now? Could you hear me? Quickly, please, let me know. Our SPY puts are up over 205% right now. We're up $3,000 on our SPY puts. Guys, can you hear me? Please let me know. I don't know what's going on here. Let me see. I think it's only taking the, guys, could you hear me? It's only using the sound though off of that, so they probably can't hear good. Because the microphone on here, for some reason, is not coming up. So, it's off of that. It probably sounds really horrible. Guys, we're up, how much are we up on the SPY puts right now?
2,000.
How much percentage?
190, 200, 190.
Okay, 200% gain. Guys, we're up 3,500 today from that hedge. Take a look at that. That's incredible. We're also up on our UNH. Our UNH calls are up. UNH calls are now up. Our UNH spread's at max gain. I want to see about closing that UNH spread now. Let's see if we could close out that spread. So let's see here. I'm gonna close out that SPY put, sell to close. I'll close that out at, let's see if I could get 545. Oh, I think I just got much more than that. E, what's the realized gain on there from the SPY puts?
2,500.
2,500 bucks. We just locked in on the SPY puts. I had to close out my United Healthcare for May 15th. You got that, E?
What'd you close?
May 15th. I just closed out the SPY puts.
At what?
At let's see. What did I pay? What did I sell it for?
550.
Let me see. There's a million things going on in my mind here. I can't remember. It filled at 560.
Nice.
5.60. All right, UNH now. We got a nice profit on UNH. That's still continuing to rise here. I'm going to sell that. I'm going to put in an order for 18 when it does sell. All right, it's 17 by 18 right now. I'm just going to put that in, set it, and forget it. 18 bucks. All righty. Now, let's see what I'm going to do now. The UNH spread. Alrighty, so buy to close, sell to close. We have 10 contracts. We have the call spread. We have the April 17th expo, and we're going to buy to close the short leg. So we're going to buy to close the 270, and we're going to sell to close the 267.50. Okay, so this spread here is a 250 spread. It's saying midpoint 350. Can't be though, because it's only worth a max of 250. That's why you never go based off of these numbers you're seeing on your platform. Know what you're doing first. So we're going to do a net credit since we're going to be receiving money from closing out this spread. Okay, so we're buying to close, selling to close, and let's see if we could get $2 for this. If I could get $2 for that, I'll be happy. This expires in 2 days. So let's see there. 10 April 17th. Get about 2,000. I place that order. Let's See, order status is still live. Live with our UNH, so let's change that down. I'll go down to $1.90 with that. That's okay. That's still a nice profit on that, and then I could get this account. We got a lot of positions in this account. I want to close some of them out. No better way than closing them out with a profit.
No better way.
Coming up at 10 a.m.
Man, hit on
This
those
account's at
hedges.
new highs today again. Alrighty, so let's change that to, that's the lowest I'll go with that, $1.80. There we go, that just sold. It sold at $1.80. We sold the UNH vertical spread at $1.80. Alrighty guys, we just locked in profits on the SPY puts. We locked in profits on United Health, the vertical spread. E, how much are we have realized gain right there?
$3,033.54.
3,030, oh, no. No, just increased.
31.50.
31.5747. Over $3,100 in profit today, guys.
6 minutes.
In 6 minutes, yep. United Health, that just sold. Our calls just got
18?
filled. Remember, we said it and we forget it.
18?
18 bucks sold, locked in a profit on that as well. That was one of those ones that took up a lot of capital, you know. We had the spread.
$16.
Yeah, it was $1,600 for a single contract. We closed it out at 18. Looks great. Our raw store puts are now looking good here as retail numbers came out and they were horrible. I'm sorry for the sound quality, guys. I'm very sorry. We have to get these operations down smoother here with these, with this equipment, and that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna focus on, right?
Yep.
Oh, that SPY put was unbelievable. We locked in a 200% gain on those SPY puts. Nice job on that, guys. Ah, what a day. Guys, our Abbott trades. Look at our Abbott trades. Holy smokes. Look at Abbott go. Our trades we made on Abbott yesterday are up 50%.
50%.
46% Abbott. Abbott. Oh my God. I think we should be locking in profits. When does that report? After the bell? Or tomorrow morning? Tomorrow morning. I think they're going to have an incredible earnings, and I think they're going to continue to soar. So the one for this week's Expo, I'm going to close that out, I think. No, for this week's Expo, I should hold on to that, you know?
Before the bell tomorrow.
Before the bell tomorrow?
7:30.
Now, see, I'm already up about 4, 5, 6. I'm up around $800 on our Abbott trades that we just made yesterday, right? Look at our Clorox trade. Our Clorox trade is soaring too, up over 18%. Clorox.
We got in a good time.
We got in great time yesterday, guys.
Yeah,
You guys should have nice profits right now, huh? Let's see in the chat down below, guys. You guys have some nice profits today? Wow, there goes Clorox still. Abbott Labs. Abbott Labs, what are we up now on it?
49%.
49.82%. Unbelievable. Yo, what are we up on it now? Oh, you just missed it. It was up 57.
50?
It was just at 57. Guys, Abbott Labs is reporting earnings tomorrow morning before the open. I think they're going to continue to run higher here. I love that trade. They're making the test kits for the coronavirus. So I definitely think that's going to continue to rise there. I would hold on to that. I'm going to hold on to it. I think that's going to have a nice run today. So I'm going to hold on to that. We're looking at resistance right at around 90.75 on Abbott. I'm up $800 on our Abbott trades already that we just made yesterday. And they were a small trade, $2,000 trade. That was a $2,000 trade, already up $800. Clorox, take a look at Clorox over here. I'm looking at the charts above. Take a look at Clorox. Unbelievable. We had a nice reversal. This was down 2% in the morning. I'm like, I brought E in my office this morning. I'm like, man, you know. Yeah, I said, thank God we got those SPY puts as a hedge. We locked in the profits on that. Now the market's climbing. We locked. Do you see how we locked in at good timing there?
Perfection.
Great timing.
You have to understand how to hedge though.
Yes, you have to hedge properly. Now we're up how much on the Clorox
19%.
trade? 19%, guys, on the Clorox trade in one day. You know, it takes people 2 years to. You know how they have their.
The feel.
No, you know how they invest or they invest their money in a mutual fund, and they're like, oh, we could get you 7% a year.
Yeah,
a year.
And that's high for them.
Yeah, that's high.
They're selling that 7%.
And look at what you could do with trading options. You can make 20% in a single day, being conservative, trading some conservative, lower risk trades, and that's really important. Now look at Clorox still continuing to run. Now Clorox is a great trade because people. The record sales in retail, the grocery stores, demand is super high. Everyone wants Clorox. They want their bleach. They want to clean. You know, and this virus isn't going anywhere for a few months. So as that demand continues to climb, stocks like Clorox are going to continue to run. You know, I mean, investors are looking for a good setup, you know, and that's what we're looking for. If they see, hey, Clorox, that's a company now that's going to be making great profits during this pandemic, they're going to be jumping into stocks and companies like this. You know, and that's why our trade plan works so well.
You posted something earlier where JP Morgan lost on their estimates, but they have traders that trade.
Yeah.
You think they're looking into Clorox? You think they're trading Clorox?
Of course. They're making a lot of hedges in the market.
They have to be smart. They have to be...
Absolutely. Guys, look at Clorox still running there. Abbott's pulling back a little bit here. Not worried about that. Looking good. I mean, if you want to lock in your profits on Abbott, go ahead. Because tomorrow is earnings, and that's high risk.
High risk.
We're up 30% right now on Abbott still. So if you want to lock them in, lock them in. Nothing wrong with doing that. In fact, you know what? Maybe I'll do that too with you guys.
And reinvest.
Reinvest,
if it looks good. And we're only playing, when we reinvest, we're only playing with our profits? What's the worst that can happen on us?
This isn't filling yet. Not $1.93 by 95. Let's see if that'll fill there.
SNSS pieces spiking here. Sandy November, Sandy.
Saw that one.
Pieces.
Our Clorox trade's now up 26%. What is that? That's for the May Expo. What a nice trade there. Market's pulling back here, guys. I'll lock in profits on Abbott for now. Okay, I sold Abbott for the May 15th. I'll keep this week's expo, okay? Because I only have $700 in that trade. So I sold the Abbott for $315. Let me see if it sold for $315 or higher. Order status. It sold at $320. So you can see right here, I put in the order for $315, but it completed at $3.20. So we sold Abbott $3.20. That's for the
May 15th. We're keeping the...
Yeah, we're going to keep this week's expos in our high-risk earnings trade, like we originally said. Clorox trade's now up 32%.
GR
Look at Clorox go. Clorox is gonna hit $200 today, I think. We're up 32% on Clorox now. Let me share with you guys what we locked in profit-wise. Let me open up E-Trade here, the website. What's today's date? April 15th. Isn't that tax day?
Yeah.
Normally?
It sure is.
Alright guys, so let me share with you what we just did already. And this is right out of the E-Trade account. So here is what we did, fellas. This is from April 15th to April 15th, right?
Mm-hmm.
These are realized profits.
CHCI.
Total realized profits today, $3,202.26. And we could lock in further profits with Clorox right now, that's up over 35%. So now you see why we'll get hedges on certain days. You know, like yesterday, that candle,
Last
it
10
looked like
minutes.
it. The day before, I said, you know what, these candles, I'm not getting a hedge because look at where the candles are ending today.
Mhm.
We're ending near the day's highs, and we have a very bullish candle here.
And it's been
And the
open.
next day we soared, and then we locked in profits yesterday on some of our trades.
Mhm.
And then when we saw this candle yesterday,
Last
we said,
10
hey,
minutes.
was it last
Yeah.
10 minutes of the day?
Mhm.
I said, hey, you know what? It looks like we're gonna have some selling pressure.
Yeah.
And then look at that. We locked in a 200% gain. Here's the SPY puts, right?
Literally
We
in
got
10
it at $1.94 and we sold it at $5.60. Wow, that's a let's see, 5.6 divide that by 1.94. Guys, that's 189% gain right there.
In 16 minutes of market. Because we closed at what, 9:36?
That's 189% gain there. We only put $583 into that trade. We closed it out for $16.78. So Adam was asking in the room there, what's a good trade for a small account? You know, those hedges are really nice. They can pay off really big and grow your account really quick, those hedges, but you know, they're not normal trades there. But we're gonna look for one for that account. He's messaging in the live chat there. Okay, so we closed that out for 189%. Abbott, small gain on that. United Health, these are the long, these are the short. We made a profit on the short, not a profit on the long. That's good. If you look at this trade overall, we made a profit on that spread, a nice profit. We were in at, what were we in at? $1.30. We were in at $1.30. We sold at $1.80. So what's that? 1.8. Divide that by 1.3. That's a 38.5% gain. And that's on that spread. Our GE trade, Vinny in the trade room, GE, that trade is going to be great. I'm probably going to be adding to that soon. And then our United Health calls, we made a small gain on, let's see, 18. Divide that by 16.75. And you'll see we made a 7.5% gain. But that was remember that trade? It was down what, 40%? It was down 40%. So to lock in a profit on that, that's nice. And that's what I mean about locking in profit. You don't know what's going to happen tomorrow, you know. But if we lock in profits when we see those setups, get a nice, let's see, 3.2. Divide that by 3.1 for Abbott. We made a 3.2% gain on Abbott. So we made a 3.2% gain 189%, 38.5%, and a 7.5% gain. And as you can see, the total investment in those trades were $5,900.27. We closed them out for $9,102.54, and that's a net profit, a realized net profit of $3,202.26. And this account is at new highs. This is actually the account we started the last trade challenge with. Alrighty, so that is the opening transactions, closing transactions, and that is exactly what we did to make those profits. Nice day.
Oh, yeah.
Alrighty. Okay, and let me save this quick, this photo. And let me show you one more thing while I'm still on the E-Trade website here. So for this month already, this is transparency right here. Look at this. Oh, I gotta make this screen smaller. Is there a lot? Yeah, there's a lot of trades there. I'll just show the top part. For this month already, you can see April 1st to April 15th, we have our total realized gain, total realized profit of $17,176. So we're only halfway through the month. If we could do this for the rest of the month, we'll be up over $35,000 for the month of April. And guys, that's how we're able to use our trade plan and take advantage of these market situations, being technical traders. Alrighty, now let me get back on here. Look at Clorox. Oh my God. How much are we up on Clorox now?
50%?
50%, $1,100 on that trade. Are you in Clorox still? What are you up on your Clorox trade? Let's see. I want to see. I've been your mentor here for the past week.
Actually, I closed it out yesterday.
You did?
Yeah, I closed out yesterday.
A profit?
Mm-hmm. Let me see. I got Clorox.
Oh man, I bet you wish you didn't close that out, huh?
No.
Oh, we sold Abbott there at nice timing. She still pulled back. Now she's in the red. I'm still holding this week's expo though. I think did it fill? Let me see. I think it sold my other Abbott. Man, let me see. Abbott. Today's the 15th. It did close out my Abbott. Here it is here on the picture I just shared. So
Yeah.
while I was doing that, it closed out, I guess. We sold the May 15th 90 calls for $3.20, and then the Abbott for this week we sold at $1.80.
Oh, we did sell that
Yep.
this week, so okay.
I like putting Tyler C in the trade room at Breaking Chart Alerts. He says it sold mine too. I was like WTF on Abbott. I sold May, then looked, and April was gone. That's exactly what I did. I had it in order to sell that. But look at Clorox continuing to run there. We're up 42% on Clorox. Unbelievable. Let's see what our QCOM's doing. Qualcomm trade is down $1,100 today, down 35%. But the account's at new all-time highs today because of those other trades that we just locked in. David Gomez says, Qualcomm nearing $74. Do we close on the daily candle of below 74? Let's take a look at Abbott go there, guys. That's starting to break out momentum again. There's that MACD cross. So if you wanted to get back into Abbott, now's the time there for a May Expo. Our Clorox trade's up 47%. I'm putting in an order to sell Clorox at $7 if that gets filled.
Mayor de Blasio says he's urging supermarkets to require customers to wear face coverings. Letter T, AT&T, sweeps to letter
Bob
T.
sold his for $7.40.
He sold his Clorox for $7.40?
Mm-hmm.
Nice job, Bob. Guys, I'm looking at the Abbott chart here. It's still breaking out. I just told you guys right here at this candle, 955, and she's still running. So look at that. Following our trade plan, remember what you're looking for. Next resistance is going to be at 90, and then again right at around 90.75. Keep an eye on that. Nice job, Bob. Bob Logan said he paid $4.75 and he sold for 7.4, which is a profit of, let's see, 7.4. Divide that by 4.75.
GS Goldman Sachs.
Bob just made a 55.79% gain. 56% gain on that Clorox trade we made. Great job, Bob. Nice. All right, guys, my Clorox just sold at 6.50. E, how much are we up over there in the corner for the day? Realize
$4,241.82.
$4,241.82. That's how we get it done, guys. We are making great trades to hedge ourselves. Look at Abbott still go there. Look at that breakout momentum. There's the 1020 cross coming up.
Oh, yeah.
We were just talking about that
Oh,
MACD
yeah.
cross. And look at those green candles. Body above previous body. That's true breakout momentum. I think we're going to see that continue to run here and break through the highs of the day above 90.75 based on what I'm seeing. Yes, we are holding PayPal. You better believe it. Down 25% on it. Down $900 on the day for that. Down $900 on PayPal. Down $1,000 on Qualcomm. Up $225 on Ross Store Puts. And up $200 now on TDOC. TDOC's starting to run there. Let's take a look at TDOC. Maybe we can make something. That was upgraded this morning if you check out our newsletter. In our newsletter here, we said KeyBank raised the price target for Teladoc Health from 145 to 180. TDOC closed at 157.33 on Tuesday. So Here's T-Dog. There she goes. She's breaking higher. She's already up 3.82%. Let's take a look at the daily chart here. Oh, look at that chart. That's a beautiful setup there. I think that's going to have a big run this week. I'm going to pick up some calls for this week's expo on Teledoc. Let's see here. T-Dog. Alrighty, so April 17th, I can pick up the 165 strike for, you know what, I'm going to do a spread on this instead. Buy to open, sell to open, I'll pick up, call, April 17th, I'm going to pick up the 161, 155, 160, let's see what that's going for, 155, 160, that's going for about 330 to be worth 5. That's definitely doable, but I think that's going to continue to run there. So let's see what the 160, 165 is. We should be able to get that for less than. There we go, 245. That would be over 100% return if we just had another $2 climb there. So net debit, I can put that in for 2.50. I'll get 5 contracts. 10 contracts would be $2,500 trade. I'll get 5. You know, don't need to trade big. So relatively small net debit limit order buy to open, the April 17th 160 sell to open, 5 contracts, April 17th 165 at a net debit of 250 here, a contract.
250?
Well, that's probably going to fill. Let me see if I can get it a little cheaper here. I'm going to put it down to 2.4. See if it fills. That's live. I didn't think it would fill less than that. Let's see. 2.45 maybe. Now if we do it at 2.5, then our max gain is going to be 100%, because the max it could be worth is 5. We got it at 250.
Industry. Industries of the program keeps their customers as to which good company business by making more than 100 million through calendar year and 2022.
Alright, I'll just go to 255. That's the tops I'll pay. Otherwise I'd do the 155, 160. There we go. That just completed, guys. We got in at
160, 165?
255.
160,
Wait,
165?
let me see here what this says. 6. We got in at 2.5. We were filled at 2.50. So our max net gain on that is going to be a 100% return. So we paid 2.5, got 5 contracts. So 250 times 5. We paid $1,250 for this trade. And then the max it could be worth is $2,500 with T-Doc at or above 165 a share this Friday on the 17th. And that was just upgraded by KeyBank.
You said 255?
No, we got filled at 2.50. We just it's a spread. We just needed above 165. Max, just type in there max gains above 165 a share on Friday's expiration. Walmart at the highs, guys. 129.75 right now, continuing to run. Our Ross store puts are up 87% today. Let's see what that's doing. Ross stores. That's not dropping much though. I think that's going to flatten out and then it's going to drop again, a big drop over the next. See, that's what, we have the May 15th expo, so I still honestly believe that those Ross store puts are going to make a profit. I think we're going to drop well below 60 by May monthly expo. 1, 2, when was this? Yeah, definitely. That's my opinion. Matthew says, what do you think Netflix will get to? Let me type in Netflix. Oh Oh my God, I think it's gonna reach my target, like I said in my other video, 425, which it just got up to. I think this is going to $500 though. There's no question in my mind about that. We just got up to near highs. Here's the question I'm gonna ask myself. So what do you see right here? What do you see looking at this chart, guys, on Netflix? I mean, come on, it sticks out like a sore thumb. What does that look like? Who's gonna get it right? Hey guys, if you're liking these videos, please give it a thumbs up. Let me update the thingamajigglebobber here with our trades.
SBCE, Virgin Galactic shares coming behind on 2042, up 7%. Sitting on the
Let's see.
G20 agreement on debt service standstill runs from May 1st to the end of the year as reasonable based on joint World Bank IMF analysis of debt sustainability. UABS, Ag Eagle Aerial, hitting a high of $1.25, Uniform Alpha Victor Sandy, resume trade. GS Goldman Sachs CFO says company lost $180 million on investment in Plantor in the first quarter. Says Consumer Bank made $7 billion in total loans during March. That's GS Goldman Sachs.
What did we pay for that SPY put yesterday? Do you know?
$194.
Yes, that's right.
Sold for $560.
go. I updated that current trades thing on the YouTube thing there. Alright, that's done. Nice gains on that, guys. Abbott's still looking good. Look at Netflix still going. Yeah, so when I was looking at this, first off as a double top possibly. So if it breaks above, let's say 425, and we get a big candle after that, then it's going to continue that breakout momentum in my opinion. And then what we're looking for, wow, TDOC is still running. As you can see, I get distracted really easily, but TDOC's at 165. When we got in, it was 162. Right
Alright.
here, TDOC. Yep.
So if it stays,
If
it
it stays at or above
165,
165 max gain, we'll have 100% gain on that
days.
spread. 100% gain.
I like it.
I love it. I want some more of it. I try so hard. I like it. I love it. I want some more of it. You know that country song?
Mm-mm.
No. That was a great day. How much are we up now? $4,241.82.
41 minutes.
Not even. I like it. I love it. I want some more. Tyler, I was born and raised in the country, so yes. Yes, we're going to be doing some day trades, I think. I think we could definitely make some nice trades here. Alright, so for right now, let's see. April 15th to April 15th. Here is what we are at right now. This is just today's. So again, this is today's realized profits of $4,241.82. And this is following our trade plan, guys. These are realized profits. And this is today's date, April 15th, April 15th. And here's all the trades, our entries, our exits, our prices, the dates, the net amounts, closing amounts, quantity, symbols, realized profits, everything you can see. Commissions only $45 to make 4,200. What's that? 1%? 1%, just about. Guys, nice day today. Over $4,000 in profits, and that was a big help there from the SPY puts that we made about $3,000 on. Clorox, we locked in a $900 profit. We just got that trade yesterday. So in one day, that one trade made us $900. You know, that Clorox trade. That one little trade that we held overnight on Clorox, and when we seen it breaking out in our trade plan, you know, our analysis with our trade plan, we said, hey, that looks like that's going to get to $200. We sold it a little early, you know, but still, that's great. Locking in those profits. You can't go broke locking in profits,
You can't
guys.
go broke.
So great day. Now see, now what I do is when I do this and show them the profits that we had, you know, that's when I get all the haters. I'm sharing this on Facebook.
Prepare yourself.
wow, Amazon.
Amazon, NS17, Microsoft, Pentagon, Watchdog says $10 billion award to Microsoft is proper. That's NS17, Microsoft.
Mm.
Look at your feet out.
Is it running?
OCGN, Northern Bright Spot Communicator, $20 member. UAVS.
There we go. Perfect.
Sandy.
Guys, I just posted something on my personal Facebook page, you know? We should post that on Breaking Chart Alerts, what I just posted right there. That's a good one to put in the other groups. But guys, that is great right there. If you go on my Facebook page, take a look at that for me. I'd appreciate it. Share your experience. Alright, let's get back into E-Trade Pro here. Okay, What were you saying about T-Doc?
I was running it for a little bit.
Look at these messages I'm getting. Scott Harris messaged me. He said, bought 10 United Health calls for $275 and sold for $550. Thank you. Thank you, Scott Harris. Thank you so much for that. Thank you guys. I see all you guys commenting on the picture I just posted. That means a lot to me. Take a look at this. Look at that. I just made this post here, locked in massive profits on our Clorox calls. Abbott Labs, they make the quickest coronavirus test kit and making hundreds of millions in profits from this pandemic. United Health Insurance, as open enrollment for insurance is reopened and fear is driving people to sign up for insurance, we are making trades on these companies because we can see and visualize what's going on in the economy and how we can trade certain sectors with our trade plan for massive profits like we just showed below here. Where else can you make $4,200 within a few minutes? Come join us, learn our system, learn how to trade for extra income trading. I put this on my personal page, but we should have put this on the business page. But anyway, message us if you want more info. And BreakingChartAlerts.com, our Facebook page, Breaking Chart Alerts, and take a look. Watched it happen live. Made nice money. Thanks, Dave Santarelli. Good stuff. Great call, brother. David Gomez. Look at that. We're all killing it. Thanks to you. From Tom. Oh, I love it, guys. I love it. You guys are amazing. I love responses like this. That's incredible. I love seeing that. Bob Logan. Bam! At least $2,800 profits locked in for me today. Great job, Bob Logan. Join. You won't regret it, says Scott Bryant. Love it. Chris Glissman. Happen live. Dave Santarelli and Breaking Chart Alerts is the best. Thank you. Noel Marbella. Make profits. Join now. Thank you, Noel. I made 210% on those SPY puts. That's just in one day. I mean, look at this. Look at what all the members are saying on our thing.
16 minutes in the market. Last 10 minutes yesterday and first 6 minutes today.
Look at that. Vince Fiacco, how'd you do today, buddy? Nice job. Unbelievable. That's amazing, guys. I love seeing that response. You guys doing that type of response for me, that makes me feel great. Thank you for that. Vince said $700 in profits today. Nice job, buddy. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. All right, let me check out the YouTube chat here. Let me see what you guys are saying here. That's how we do it, though. I mean, the account's at new highs right now. I mean, how else? You can't do anything better than that. You know, yes, we have trades that are down right now, you know, but they're for the May Expo, number one. Mm-hmm. And number two, they're still looking fine on a daily chart. Number three, we had those profits in anyway, so even if we do take a loss on those trades, we're still at highs. You know, you got to hedge yourself well in these markets, and we're doing just that following our trade plan. All right, let me read some of these messages here. Amazon 2313.50 says fresh and healthy meals. Look at that breakout on Amazon. Holy smokes. I'd love to jump in and trade this. I really think she's going to $2,500 on next week after earnings, in my opinion. I think she's going to hit $2,500 just from looking at the size of these candles and seeing the type of volume that's coming in, and then with everything that's going on with the pandemic. I mean, everyone's ordering online. Everyone's ordering from Amazon's literally, you can't go to Best Buy and buy something. You can't go to Best Buy buy a computer.
No.
You have to order it from somewhere. The only online real retailer that people are using is Amazon. And that's why we're seeing such a big pop in Amazon. And I think when they report earnings next week, I think they're going to blow it out of the water. And like they said, they're hiring 100,000 new workers on top of the 150,000 they announced a couple of weeks ago. So 250,000 new workers just for Amazon. If that doesn't tell you this company's doing great, I don't know what is. You know, you're not going to be hiring 250,000 new workers unless that business is popping.
Yeah, exactly.
You know, and that's exactly what's happening right now with the pandemic. So,
Yep. Is that a trade idea?
this is the last trade we did on Amazon. I just didn't exit it out yet.
Okay.
We could exit that out. Amazon looks incredible though, guys. Guys, give us a like on this video. We got 170 live viewers right now and only 55 likes. Guys, come on. Smash that like button for us. Tom says the market tanked and our accounts are still growing. Absolutely, Tom. Tesla was upgraded. Shen Thal says, pretty sure it was mentioned before, but what's going on with Tesla? Tesla was upgraded to $800 a share, so that's having a big run there.
G20 Finance officials in joint statements say agreed on coordinated approach to current term sheet, also agreed by Paris Club about leverage.
Oh, thank you, Bob. Bob, you made a post on the Facebook group? Thank you, buddy. I appreciate that. Look at the response we're getting on social media here. Look, I mean, we got all these comments of
I'll just copy the whole comments and then repost it.
Look at all the profits. Alana Harmon, I made a beautiful profit of $613 on a small account, building every day with Dave Santorelli at Breaking Chart Alerts. Thank you. Vinny Altamiro says, the best of the best. Martha Gonzalez says 284% on the SPY put she made that we got yesterday. I think Martha's one of the ones from another country too that joined. I think, Martha, where are you from? Canada?
Pentagon IG report on Jedi contract near 7 top Pentagon officials that misconduct allegations, including former Defense Secretary Mattis.
Raul. Alrighty, let's see now what we could do. Skyjack said he's up 20% on Amazon. I wish I had the I don't want to say it, but you know what, to get into that trade. You know, that's probably one that's, you know, quite expensive. Guys, our mRNA Moderna calls we got for January 21st, 2022, the 30 strike call. Do you remember we got those? They're now in the green. They were down 30%. Now we're in the green, 8% on those.
Gasoline inventories 4.914 million versus the 6.386 million built.
I'm gonna close out that trade, the Moderna trade. Sell to close. I'm gonna sell that out for about, let's say, 16.
Distillates a build of 6.3 million barrels. Versus the 1.47
Let's see if it sells for that.
build expected.
Nope. Won't sell. Let me change it. Order status.
Will be lower at 1985.
Change. I'll change it down to 1550. I got in for, what did I get in for? I got in for 15. I'd rather just be out of that one. 2 grand tied up. I'll leave that live 1550. Let's see what the stuff chart's looking like. mRNA. Wow, that's really breaking out. That looks like that's gonna have a big breakout actually. That might have a really big run. I should hold on to that instead of selling it, to be honest.
Follow the plan.
Yeah, I should follow the plan. I'm closing for a small gain, but I know I could make a much larger profit on this. I think this is honestly going to be a $100 stock by next year. They're working on the vaccine for the coronavirus, so could you imagine if they supply 1 billion vaccines across the globe?
The first one to get the vaccine wins.
Yeah. That's still running there. There goes T-Doc. T-Doc's breaking above 165 again. Let's put in T-Doc. There goes Abbott. I should get into another trade for Abbott for tomorrow's expo.
Do it.
You think I should?
Yeah.
Look at Moderna run. Oh my God, that's a beast today. I'm gonna close out that Moderna trade here. I mean, I'm gonna cancel it. Order status. She's running. Oh, it just sold right when I was just clicking on it to cancel, and it just said completed. Someone at E-Trade's watching me, I bet.
Mm-hmm.
Like, no, let's hurry up and close him out. Well, that's still running, so if you didn't close that out, I'd hold on to it. Sky King says, when did Dave purchase SPY calls yesterday? They weren't SPY calls, they were SPY puts. We got that as a hedge against our calls, so we locked in those SPY puts early this morning. Within a couple of minutes of opening bell, locked in almost a 200% gain on those SPY puts, and that's only for our professional trader members in the afternoon trading session. So if you're not a member, join the professional traders, and you'll get the afternoon trading session and see all of our live trades we make in the afternoon. Look at Moderna run now. Wow, look at the candle.
They heard you.
Oh my, they're probably dead. I mean, this is a big stock here. They were making the vaccine for the coronavirus. You know, how can you say this isn't going to be a $100 stock? I mean, the masses are going to be jumping into it. T-Doc's continuing to run. You know, more people are taking online appointments with T-Doc, Teladoc Health. I really wish I wish I was a little bit quicker and canceled that Moderna exit there that I had. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. On that small little, remember that T-Doc call spread that we made for $1,250? Well, we already got a $200 profit on that if we wanted to lock that out already, you know, on a spread. Our max gain on that's going to be $1,250. So if we wanted, we could lock in $200 profit now. We'd be leaving $1,000 profit on the table as long as it's above 165 by Friday's expo at 4 p.m. But you know, you can lock in profits anytime you want with these trades. And guys, make sure, if you want to join us, go to breakingchartalerts.com. You could click down here, click accept, and then click the bell here at the bottom left. Subscribe to notifications, and you'll get notified on your desktop every time a trade alert's posted, that we're live, that a trade challenge trade is made. And if you want to join in at the afternoon trading session, You go here. I have a special promo code for coronavirus that expires this week. It's Stimulus. Okay, and you could select Stripe or PayPal checkout, and that Stimulus code is good for the professional trader yearly. So instead of $2,000, it'll be $1,500, and you can get signed up there. It'll be $1,500 if you use the Stimulus promo code, and with this, you'll get access to the live afternoon sessions, and you're gonna have access to the classes, trade challenge, trade room, everything on the website. T-Doc is continuing to break out there, looking good.
So finding some resistance at 165. Let's see if it breaks.
Yeah, it is. It's having some resistance around 165 right now. I think this is honestly something that could be $180 by the end of the week.
In 3
Yep,
days.
I do. I think it could be $180 by the end of this week.
Really?
Yep, I do. I mean, just look at it run, you know? I mean, look at that run. I'm looking at the chart above here on E-Trade Pro, guys. T-Doc, it's at 165. There she goes, 165.38, 165.46. Oh my God, we're now up
There it is.
$300 on the spread. Over $300 on the spread.
10 max games.
Unbelievable. And guys, you can look here. You click on the trade alerts, and look at this. You're going to get access to all the trades that we make. They're going to be sent out to you. They're going to have the targets, the stops, the trades, and the charts, everything. And it's all there for you guys to see and decide what trade's good for you, what fits you, what you want to do. You know, but come with us, join us, professional trader, and you'll get access to all that. Here's Moderna retracing back down to that 10. Let's see if it holds that 10-day simple moving average on it today, 1 minute chart, and then start that run again. T-Doc 165.22. Let's put that up over here. I'm really watching Abbott here because I think Abbott's going to have a big run this week after they report earnings tomorrow. Guys, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up for us. Please give the video a thumbs up. Let's get to above 100 likes here. Look at T-Doc go. 165.88, 166. Nice, nice gains on that T-Doc trade, guys. Looking good. Looking good, guys. Wow, it's 10:40 already. Day sure goes by quick when you're having fun. We're an hour into the day. How much does it say we up there realized?
$4,290.75.
$4,290.75. Almost $4,300 today in realized gain, all within the first half hour of the day, basically. There you go, ka-ching. Nice. Wow, look at what Captain Thomas just said here. This is Captain Thomas. He's an international airline pilot.
Cap.
Hey, Captain. I'm a small trader, but made $10,000 in the last 2 months with Dave. You the man. Wow. Thank you, Captain Thomas.
Why the economy
Love it.
struggles.
Love it, love it. What flag is that Martha said she's from? Do you know what flag that is? I don't know my countries that well.
Looks like Mexico.
Is it Mexico?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought it was Italian flag. I'm Italian. That's pretty sad
Yeah.
for me to say that, right?
It's
It looks
small,
like
though.
Italian.
Same.
That's amazing seeing all your support there. Great job today, guys. Great job. Alrighty, let's see here. PayPal. You guys are asking about PayPal now. Let's get back on here, take a look. PayPal's breaking down a little bit here. Let's take a look at the daily. Like I said, we're watching today for it at that 50. If she continues lower, she might pull back to about 101, 102 before starting that climb again. Oh, wow. Look at T-Doc. 166.39.
There it is. That's what we want.
What a run. Nice day for us. And now you see some of the losing trades, like that T-Doc trade that we've had in the account for a month.
Bounce.
That's coming up. It's up 280% today. You know, we're still down on it overall, but hey, if that has another run today or tomorrow like it did today, look at it. What's this at 166.63? Look at that go.
Oh,
Look at that breakout.
here we go, 167.
Let me put T-Doc here for you guys.
Here goes 167.
Oh, look at that breakout on T-Doc, 167.25, continuing to run. Yes. Nice gains there, guys. Look at those profits. Our T-Doc spread's now up $400. Curtis said that was Mexico. Yep. That was a delay, huh? That flag there. What's that? The T-Doc, I know. I really think that's, what did I tell you? I told you 180.
Yeah, in 3
I
days.
think it's gonna go to 180 by Friday. We're up over $400 on that T-Doc spread we just made earlier.
Jeez, and that's on what? That's on the newsletter this morning, right?
Yeah, that's on the newsletter as well.
Raise the price target to 180.
We only have 71 likes on this video. Is it that hard to click the like button, guys? Come on. 164 viewers.
I think they're still collecting their cash, counting their profits.
Oh, yeah. I shared my Facebook on social media there. Now I got like 13 friend requests that came in. I keep looking at
Nice.
them. Yeah. Wow, look at T-Doc go. It's nearing 168 now. Look at
Here
that.
we go, baby.
I really think it's going to get to that 180. No question in my mind. I mean, it was upgraded.
BBQ Holdings, you can more line coming into BBQ now. Bravo, Quebec.
Thanks, Kevin. TSL, we are looking for some trades for the trade challenge now. Now look at how PayPal came back above that 50 SMA on a daily chart here. Take a look at it today, 1 minute. That's why we say wait till you see where it's at by the end of the day there. Just had a 50-cent climb just about in the last three minutes. Let's see where that continues to go. There goes T-Doc again. There goes T-Doc. Wow, more new highs on T-Doc. Curtis said ABT is moving. Let's see ABT. There we go. Nice move on ABT. That's going to look like she's going to get back up to that 90.75. I had to make another small trade on that for earnings tomorrow. We locked in the 2 Abbott trades, so we're playing with the house's money on this new Abbott trade, okay? ABT, look at her run there. So April 17th, I'll pick that up. Call Expo, April 17th. I'll pick up the 90 strike. That's going for about 240. I'll put in 245. I don't want many contracts. I'll get, let's see. I'll get 4 contracts. That'll be about a $1,000 trade. That's all. It's a $982 trade. There we go. That was filled, executed, and fulfilled. Order status. Here it is. This is a high risk earnings trade. You know, it filled at 245. 2.45. We are in for the April 17th Abbott. It's a small, high risk earnings trade. Alrighty.
Goldman Sachs CEO says
It's an earnings
Same as
trade.
the other
Yeah.
one.
I think she could get to 95 though on a good report. Already up 2% on it as she continues to break out here. Abbott. Look at Abbott running now. What a run on Abbott. We're now up 5% on the Abbott calls we just made. Look at TDOC breaking out here. Wow, what a breakout. We're now up $500 on the TDOC spread we made. We're now up 7% on the Abbott calls we just made. What a run. What a run. We're now up 8% on the Abbott calls we just made. TDOC continuing to run there. There goes Abbott again. We are off to the races here, guys. There goes Abbott. 90.77. It just broke that 90.75 resistance we were talking about earlier. If we go back, take a look. We're getting up to that resistance now. If we could break this resistance from here at this candle at 934 this morning, we could break through that. We're going to have another nice breakout here. So let's see what it does at this resistance level from previously around 934 this morning. Let's see what happens. There she goes, 981. She's breaking 986. 989. Nice breakout there on Abbott, guys. We're already up 9%. We're already up $100 on that small $900 trade we just made. Up 11% on the Abbott calls we just made. Nice job here, guys. Skyjack says Moderna's on the run. Did I get back into that Moderna trade or no?
No,
I really wanted to do that.
you were trying to close in. They heard you.
Yep. Oh, yep. You remember that. I forget that stuff. I get so distracted by the charts here. Like, you know, looking at these charts, it's so exciting, you know?
It is. It sure
It
is.
really is, especially when they're following your trade plan.
It sure is.
Look at the Visa option alerts coming in here. There goes TDOC again. Abbott trades up 3%.
Bank of Canada's below says best case scenario would be lockdown ending by May or June.
What a day, you know. This morning when I came in, I was looking at the pre-markets. I'm like, it might be a tough day today. And look at how quick things turn around and boom.
Look at that. Dow's down 600 points.
Dow's down
And
600 points and we still got a big
Whether
profit.
it's up or down, it doesn't matter. We trade based on a trade plan and look at how it works. Follow the process.
Follow the
plan.
process.
Follow the
Look
plan,
at
trust the
TDOC, another
process.
new highs here. Look at TDOC, 168.34.
Oh, 168. Wow.
When we got in, it was at 163 or 162.
162.
Yeah, it was at 162.
Yeah.
It was back here. It was literally back here. Here was the 1020 cross, remember? Here was the 1020 cross we talked about, right?
Mhm.
Look at here was the 1020 cross, and then we said, wow, she's breaking out, and then broke out, and then we watched right here, and boom, somewhere around here we got in. somewhere right around here we jumped in and bam, nothing but taking off. It used the 20 here as support for a little bit, broke down to the 10. Now she's breaking higher again, and look at that run.
169. Here we go.
169.
Let's go. 169.
170 by end of the day, and then 180 tomorrow,
Put it in the
or
bank.
180 by Friday. She's up 7% today, up over $11. Look at T-Doc run. Now, remember that old T-Dot trade we made? How much is that up today?
We were down a little
Yeah,
bit.
we were down a big on that. Now, how much are we up today on that?
373.
373%. Still down 60% on that trade. But if we have another day like today on T-Doc, that trade's now going to be in the green. And then the new trades we just made on T-Doc look fabulous there. We're up over 500% on that vertical spread we traded. Abbott's pulling back down to that 10. Now let's see if it's going to climb and pop off that 10 SMA. Or if she's going to continue to retrace down to 90. I can't believe we're only at 83 likes after locking in all those profits on YouTube here.
I don't think they're enjoying it today.
No, I guess not. Adam, Abbott is an earnings trade, a
High
high
risk.
risk earnings trade. I talked to Adam on the phone last night, and you know, he wants to grow a small account there, but that's a high risk trade,
super
Adam. You know, like if that trade does well for you, you could take that $400 and turn that into, you know, $2,500 if it has a big run there after earnings. But it could also be worthless tomorrow if
Mhm.
they miss. So it's a high risk trade.
I got
There
burned
goes
many
T-Doc
times.
continuing to break out here. T-Doc 168.88. Let's see her get to 169.
Here comes 169. Let's go.
Skyjack said he jumped into Moderna. There goes T-Doc. It was just at 169. There she goes again. 169.06.
Yeah.
I see her get up to 170. Now, see, if I knew it was going to have that big of a run that quick, I would have just gotten into the calls instead of the spread there. We're up $600 though on that spread. We got about a 40-some% gain on that spread already.
Now moving to price 82 cents, LUV. Saudi finance minister says G20 members have injected over $7 billion into the global economy to protect jobs, businesses, and economies.
There we go. What's your name? Adam. I'm looking at all these names here. You know, I'm getting confused. Adam, Abbott trades back in the green. T-Doc, do you see T-Doc? Wow.
170.
She's going for 170. The candle's got much smaller though. Look at the bodies of the candle. I'm looking for that next big breakout here above 169.21. We could break above 169.21. We'd have a breakout at 170. If not, the size of these candles here are a little worrisome to me. I'd be saying, hey, is it starting to flatten out? Remember that flattening of the curve there?
Mm-hmm.
Is it starting to flatten out? So if we can break through this resistance here, 169.20, I want to see a nice big candle above that, and then we're heading for 170. So that's what I'm watching for right now. Because notice the size of those bodies compared to the previous candles there. We're still looking bullish. I'm liking the looks of T-Doc. I think we're definitely going to get up to that 170 today. There comes that flattening of the curve, like I said, right here on this candle. Let's see what she does there.
Now, for people that want to day trade, would you?
Now, a day trader, I would say, hey, you get a candle below that 10. I'd already have my order ready, and
Have
I'd
it
say
ready now?
I'd have it ready now if I was day trading.
Day traders
I'd
have
say
it ready
okay,
now.
have it ready, and
We're-
then I'd be looking.
But we're taking it on. We're taking the earnings.
Yeah, we're going
This is-
into. T-Doc doesn't have earnings,
No.
does it? No.
Sorry.
Abbott has earnings. Yeah, so T-Doc, you know, that got upgraded today based on that news and everything going on with the pandemic. Gonna be holding on to that. Do a message in the live chat there, see if anyone needs help signing up. Abbott, there she goes again, up 3% on Abbott. They're saying they need to get us a show on CNBC. I think you're absolutely right. There goes T-Dot climbing off that 10 now. Let's see her continue to run there. What a great day. Unbelievable. $600 gain on the T-Dot spread that we made earlier. T-Doc's still holding above that 10 right now. Let's see here what it does at this candle. What a day, guys. There goes T-Doc. Bouncing off that 10. Look at how we were talking about that here. Here's consolidation. Those candles became smaller. Now we're still in consolidation, so let's see. I want to see that break above that 169.21. I want to see a candle closing above 169.21 on a today 1 minute chart for that next breakout to that 179. Our Abbott calls are now up 5%. And there she goes. There goes T-Doc. It just broke through that consolidation. Let's see where this candle ends. As long as it ends here higher, we are good. And we're looking at 170. There she goes. She's breaking out. She's breaking higher. 169.61. Nice breakout there. Abbott consolidating a little bit here.
AMD has 4.7 inch processor. Started selling Friday by May 24th as a APL Apple.
Nice run there, guys. EJ Amera says, can you look at Visa? We certainly can. There goes T-Doc again, 169.49. Let's see, Visa, MasterCard, they're looking good. Visa is looking good for an entry here, in my opinion. I think Visa was on our watch list this morning. No, it was MasterCard. Visa might hold this 10 here and get a nice pop, so keep an eye on Visa. Visa's looking incredible there. Nice opportunity. Especially if it holds that 10. Notice when Visa was in breakdown momentum cycle here, how it dropped, it got up to that 10, dropped up to the 10, dropped up to the 10, dropped, and then we finally broke a candle with the body above that 10 as consolidation when it's trading between the SMAs. Okay, so we're trading between the SMAs, consolidation. If you're short here, you're covering on that candle, and here's consolidation, and then 10-20 cross, start to break out momentum, broke out, coming down to that 10. It's a shallow climb here, so you know it's going to be something that I'd get a longer term expo out for, maybe January 2021, and I'd be getting the 165 or 170 strike call for that leap, if you're interested. Guys, I'll give you the link if you're interested in signing up. If you're interested in joining us, here is the link. Message us on our Facebook business page, and we will help you get signed up. Here's the link. Message us there. Message us right there, and we will help you get signed up, and you can be a part of the afternoon trading session. That's for the professional trader package for the afternoon trading session. That's only available on our website. Yesterday was a hint of it, actually. Yesterday was actually on YouTube, right? We had a problem with the website's video platform, so we did it live on YouTube yesterday. So if you look at YouTube yesterday, you'll see that we did those SPY puts as that hedge. Look at that big candle drop in here on TDOC, a big retracement from 169.50 down to 168. So now if you were in a day trade, that'd be my sign to be out of that day trade. But just big volume coming in there. Look at my Abbott trades taking off now here as well. Look at Abbott. Abbott's holding that 10. It looks like she's going to climb and get back up to that 91 area. There goes Abbott, up 6% now on Abbott. TDOC still continuing to run. That was just a big candle there. Now she's still running there. Bigger candles coming in here. That's showing a little bit more IV, implied volatility here coming in. I have TDOC for a day trade. Okay. RRL said he just closed a TDOC spread for a 40% gain in less than 1 hour on the YouTube chat here. Great job, RRL. Guys, hit that like button if you like these videos. We only have 88 likes and 180 live viewers right now. What a day today. Abbott trade's now up 8%. Where's my Abbott chart? Wow, it's after 11. Guys, look at Abbott go. We're now up 8% on the Abbott trade we just made for the April 17th Expo. Adam, how's your Abbott trade doing now? You guys are saying we should have our own show. I'd love to have my own show. If there's anyone out there, let me know. Guys, our Abbott trade's now up 10%, 11%. We're up 11% on Abbott. There she runs. She's having a big breakout there. Big breakout on Abbott. Look at TDOC too. TDOC's having a big breakout here as well. What a day. What a day. What a day. Look at Abbott. Run there. We're now up 15% on Abbott calls. 15% gain. $150 gain on that small $900 trade. You know, like literally $900 just made you $150 net profit. In what, a few minutes? And that's following a trade plan. That's why you should join the professional trader membership. We can teach you our system and teach you how to trade.
That SPY put, what? That was a 280%. We called it last 10 minutes of the afternoon session.
That was
sold
great.
it 6 minutes.
We saw that selling pressure coming in. And we took advantage of that, especially with all the calls that we got yesterday. Guys, look at Abbott breaking out, up 17% now on Abbott, up $180 on the Abbott trade already. Unbelievable. Guys, we're at 95 likes. Please give this a nice thumbs up for us. Give it a like. There we go. Abbott trade's now up 17%. 18%, 19%, $200. Look at Abbott breaking out there. Everyone's doing that. 20% gain now on Abbott. 20% gain, $200 on a $900 trade.
Look at that.
You can't beat that. Look at it continue to break out there.
Taking off, baby.
21%.
And that's our profits. That's not cap. That's not.
Our
profit.
We fueled
Making
this
money.
trade with the profits from the last Abbott trade.
Exactly.
You know, so you can't beat that. We're up $220 now, 25%, $240 on Abbott, up 25%.
House money.
That was all house money that we used to fuel
Nothing to
this
lose.
trade. What a nice gain there. Tom Tagling says, you do have a show. We're all watching it right now. They love it.
Wow, Kevin J is up 15K today.
Justice Dion says, how are there 6 thumbs down? Based off of everything we did and locked in. Because there's haters out there. The bigger you get, the more haters you get.
Kevin J is up 15K today.
Where does he say that? In the
Trade
trade
room.
room? Let me see. Let me open up the trade room here. I got all them up in the back. Look at Abbott running again. Wow. They hate us because they ain't us, right? What's that from that show?
Yeah, what is that? Hate us?
That nuclear show with Kim Jong Un.
Yeah.
Whatever it's called with
Hangover?
No.
What is that?
Wow, Kevin Johnson says he's up $15,000 today so far.
Now 17.
He's now up 17,000. Mike Francic says I took profits and re-entered Abbott up 35%. Nice. Take the rest of the day off. I should take the rest of the day off. You guys okay with that? They need to put Dave's hand rub in the sound effects in the Jim Cramer soundboard.
We'll put you on a t-shirt with your hands like this.
Yeah.
You know the emoji?
Yeah.
the clapping emoji?
That's funny.
We love it. The interview.
Yeah, the interview. That's it. Yep. So Brian says Jim Cramer should have that song on his soundboard. Could you imagine him hitting that?
No.
Kevin Johnson says, I'm selling a lot now. Nice job, Kevin. Colin says, don't want to tarnish it. Oh, yeah, he's saying no, don't give it to Kramer, tarnish it. Kevin Johnson's up $17,000 with us today. Unbelievable job, Kevin. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Guys, our afternoon trading session is, here's all of our trading sessions here. Our afternoon trading sessions can be found right here, live trading video and classes. You click on that, and here you go. The event is scheduled today at 2 p.m. If you're a professional trader member, you could have access to this tab here, and you'll get our live trading session in the afternoon. And then there's yesterday's, or whenever the previous days was. It was a great day. Great day. We actually made yesterday's afternoon session on YouTube, so you can go check it out there. But guys, if you want to join, click join now here, and click sign up for the Professional Trader 12 month. And you could click on the Facebook icon at the top here if you want to chat with us. Promo code STIMULUS, that'll take 25% off the Professional Trader yearly course here. So instead of $2,000, it's only $1,500. Or without any discounts, you could pick one of the monthly memberships as well. But you want the big savings, go with the Trader 12 month. You'll get all the videos, all access, total access. Trader package, that'll get you membership to the trade room and email alerts. The Professional Trader, you get text alerts, email alerts, website alerts, desktop notifications. You also get our trading app on Google Play Store and Apple, what is it called? Apple Play Store?
Apple Store.
Apple Store. You know, so you can download our trading app for free once you sign up for the Professional Trader 12-month course. Go to your app store, search Breaking Chart Alerts. You can download it for free. You'll get text alerts, notifications, everything sent directly to you, and that'll be free for professional.
169.
169.13, 169.20 on TDOT, continuing to run there. Guys, get signed up. BreakingChartAlerts.com. Click on the Facebook icon if you want to chat with us, if you need help, and then right up here, actually, you know, you can message us here. Or right here, here's our app, here's our iOS app. You know, once you join that professional trader package, here's our app. Got a 5-star rating, it's incredible, and come join, guys. Alrighty, guys, I'm gonna get off. Take a look here. TDOT continuing to run. Abbott, our Abbott trade's now up 23%, 24%. TDOC is continuing to run. Take a look at TDOC here.
Alana's asking, is it too risky to hold TDOC into tomorrow?
No, absolutely not. Not in my opinion, anyway. Abbott calls now up 25%. We're up $260 on our Abbott trade. That's a $900 trade. We're up 30% on it now. Unbelievable, guys. Great job today. Great job. Alrighty, guys, I'm going to get off of here. If you want to come join us for the live afternoon trading session, come join us. And I will see you guys in the trade room on the website, BreakingChartAlerts.com. Come join us, guys. Take care. Have a great day. Great job today, guys. I appreciate all the love, support, and most importantly, really happy to see all you guys making those profits like you're sharing with us in the trade room, sharing with us on our social media pages. That's amazing, guys. Keep it up. We're a great team here at TSC, BCA, and SOTA. I'll see you guys in the afternoon here, and I'll be in the trade room now with you guys. Alrighty, guys. Take care. God bless, and see you shortly.
See ya.
Bye-bye.